welcome back, crew. Hey, hope everybody had a good 4th of July weekend. Hey, I had an awesome weekend, guys. I went to a few car shows. I also had a little cookout over my nephew's house, and we had little friends and family came over, did a little swimming and stuff, which I didn't get to participate in a lot of swimming or anything, but while we was over there, I did get to go to a really nice car show, which you guys have probably already seen that video. But I wasn't really expecting this here, man. The UPS guys just came in, and I just posted a video last week of my t-shirts, and I was telling you guys that I actually got some business cards and stuff coming in, and I also got some other t-shirts I had made from a local place. It's called Modern Designs, which you guys actually saw. I made a video of me designing my t-shirts and my badges for my vehicle. So, but today my cards came in, and I guess we'll be doing a little unboxing here, and I'm gonna show you guys the cards here. Well, this is actually, I think I need a knife so I can open them up and everything. So I get a little knife here. So I wasn't expecting that. They came pretty quick. The cards didn't supposed to get here until the end of this week. But here's my little package I'll show you. The package here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just, instead of turning you guys around, I'm gonna cut you guys right back on in a second. So this is the package that the business cards come in. Like I said, UPS just delivered it. Haven't seen them. I seen them whenever I made them, but see how these cards turned out here. I opened up a lot of packages. And they should be my business cards for my shop and for my channel here. See what these are. Go ahead and get this box out. Hey bud, how you doing? No, not yet. Well, I haven't ordered. Been a holiday. Well, we got mac and noodles in there. So this is the other box. I'm gonna turn you guys back on. I got a customer just came in. I'm gonna help him real quick. All right, so getting back to these cards. So this white one here. Okay, so the white one is my business card. So they have I guess a little, I don't know what that is. I guess it just protects it. Oh, cool. So this is my new card. So this one here was my old card, business card. This was my old business card there. And I designed this card here. Josh helped me design it, co-designs. So that has, and that's almost like my old logo, like you see this logo here. That's like my wife actually liked that logo there. And we added the pipe and the ashtray and everything. So if you guys need some cigars, hit us up. Hit us up, okay? Our website, or even call in, and we do mail order as well. So that's pretty neat. That's awesome. I like that. So now these here must be my my play cards for my YouTube channel. Man, these are sweet. And what's cool about these, I got it raised. Everything is raised. You see that? You see how that's raised? So I got Classic Chevy with CJ the Cigar Man. I got my IG, my Twitter. And then on the back, I got my little slogan. And, you know, I spell the, smoke them if you got them. I spell it differently, but I got some stuff that says got them because I say got them, and that's that country accent coming out of me. So I say smoke them if you got them. So really, it should be GOT apostrophe EM. But either way, that's how you're supposed to say it anyway. So, but I'm happy. I'm happy with that, man. I love this finish on the back side of it. That is so cool. And that's my color, black, man. So I'm digging that black. So hey, if you guys need any cards or anything, if you guys need any cards, go to Vistaprint, and right now they're doing a 20% off. Like I said, I could give you a code and stuff to give you 20% off, but there's no need for me to give you guys a code because when you go to their website, they're automatically already doing 20% off. So, hey, I just appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I just wanted to show you guys this quick video and stuff. You got a good cigar and a fast car and truck? Smoke them if you got them, baby. Cigar Man out.